It's a 2016 Cadillac SRX. Cadillac has earned a respected reputation and continues to build on it with this SRX. A peaceful drive sounds different to many people, and the design of this vehicle protects your atmosphere from outside noise. Strong where it needs to be, this SUV offers award-winning safety, a potent V6 engine, and sharp style with hand-sewn leather and genuine wood trim. The ride is responsive, and the interior adaptable with up to 61 cubic feet of cargo room. This ample vehicle can keep you connected with OnStar 4G LTE and built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, while also offering many choices for entertainment, including Bluetooth and the Cadillac CUE information and media control system. You'll notice a feeling of pride when you drive away in this SRX. Come take a closer look today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.
For value